Alright, what's up, guys? I got a 2017 Hyundai Elantra Eco here. I'm gonna play some non-copyrighted music for you. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you what I got in here. First of all, I got a factory radio. In the doors, I got the JBL tweeters and JBL door speakers. In the back, got the Taramps Smart 3 LC7i. I got the Audiopipe 6 Farad. And then we got some Audiopipe subs in the back here. And then underneath the speakers, we've got an extra battery here. I'm not gonna pull it out because it's a pain in the butt to get it out, but just trust me, there's an extra battery underneath there. So we're gonna play some music and see what you think. Show you the car. Alright, let's play some music. Tell me what you think in the like it if you like the music, or the subs, and tell me what you think in the comments. I think the subs are rocking. The amp really does a good job pushing them, and with the non-copyrighted music, and I think it's badass. So just tell me what you think, and be honest, and I'd like to see what you think in the comment section. So I do read them all, and just be honest with me and tell me what you think with the new setup that I got, and y'all have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.